How to turn any website into an app on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily turn any website into an app on your phone. Let's just get started. First thing first you need to do is go ahead and open up your web browser. I'm currently using Google Chrome. You can use any other Chromium based websites as well for this feature. Now let me just quickly head over to any one of the websites. For example, let's just do speedtest.net. I can just search for it, go to this internet speed test website. They already have an app, but I'll just show you with the browser version. What you can basically do is, if you want to download it as an app, tap on the three dots at the top right. And then you can find the option to add to home screen. Tap on it. And basically it's going to ask you to install the app. So just tap on install and you should be good to go. Wait for the installation to complete right here on top. Once it adds the option, you're going to get it right here on your home screen. So let me just quickly show you guys. It's scanning the phone. And once everything is done, it's going to appear right here on your app. So as you can see here, the app is now popped up on your screen. It will run just like on the browser. Tap on go. You should be good to go. That is basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.